Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this bodies design easily and clearly. And guys, this lecture is very important, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and beginner student is very knowledge gain here, and how to this new parts is design here. And then this parts is a impeller design. Okay, this is a impeller, and impeller design is very important, and how to this parts is designed easily and clearly. And all 2D drafting is also available here, and all dimension and all geometry is looking here easily, you can see here on the screen. And this part is a roots blower project, and this part is inside here, and this is rotation, this body is rotating this inside part. Okay, and this is isometric view, and this is a front view, and this right view, and this is top view, and all dimension is millimeter. Okay, and okay, so let's start here. This part is design, and okay, this body is designed easily and clearly, and how to this body is designed. All dimension is looking perfect, and all parts is a okay, this body is looking perfect and correct. So let's start here. This body is designed easily and clearly. Okay, at first select a part, and going to some setting is very important, and this is a option. Click here and going to document properties, and image quality is very high because all geometry line is looking perfect and correct. Okay, this is a perfect, and also this is a very nice looking here. Okay, and perfect. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct, and this view is a, you can see here, front view, and then front plane is a better, and this total length is a 150 millimeter. Okay, at first drawing this circle is drawing here a 20 millimeter diameter, and the big circle is drawing here 45 diameter, and both center point length is 47 millimeter, and this circle is drawing here a, this is a curve is a radius is 22.5 millimeter, and this cutout is a for this center rectangle is drawing here, and for length is 4 millimeter, and this is a width is 4 millimeter. Okay, at first select a front plane and drawing a two circle one by one, and this drawing this big circle diameter is a, this is a 20 millimeter diameter, and this is a 45 millimeter diameter. Okay, and both press a control button, and both point is center point is selected, and this is a horizontal. Okay, and this distance between is this 47 millimeter. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a okay, and next is a apply here this okay, this big circle is a this is a going to pattern is circular pattern, and okay, this is a select this pattern and 3. Okay, pattern is 3, and equal spacing and 360-degree angle, and all is perfect and correct. Okay, and this is a better. And okay, going to this fully defined sketch and all entities select here, calculate this. Okay. Okay, and this dimension is a select here this 23.5 millimeter. Okay, because this diameter is a 25.5 millimeter is automatic selector, and this is a 21.34 millimeter and 33.09 millimeter. Okay, select a 3-point arc and connect to this okay, and both press a control button and both is a select here, both line is a select here, and this is a make tangent, and again also select this and press a control button this and tangent. Okay, and this is a 22.5 millimeter. Okay, okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay, and again select a pattern is circular pattern, and this is a this point, and select this and going to 3. Okay, 3, this connect to this and 360-degree angle, equal spacing and 3, and okay, all is perfect. Okay, and again select a fully defined sketch and select entities, and both is a select here and calculate this. Click OK. Okay, all is perfect and all dimension is this. Okay, okay, all length is perfect and correct. Okay, this is a okay, all is perfect and correct. Okay, okay, all is correct mention here. Okay, going to this extrude boss and select this one by one is select here, and this total 150, this okay, this length is 150 millimeter, and click OK. Okay, this is a perfect and correct. And again select this face sketch normal, and select a center line, and center line is this drawing, and this length is a 4 millimeter, this width is a 4 millimeter. Okay, and connect this point and press a control button, and this point is a horizontal. Okay, this black color means this all is fully defined, and this is a this center line is drawing here, and cutout is this and 4 millimeter length and 4 millimeter width. Okay, all point is correct. And going to this extrude cut is this and going to through all and click OK. This cutout is perfect and also circular pattern is perfect and click this face, click here this edge point is select here, and going to this and okay, select here this cutout. Okay, and this is this edge is selected, and this pattern is 5 and equal spacing 360 degree angle, and all is correct and click OK. Extrude cut is a perfect. and material is apply here and going to this metal and brush, and okay, all is perfect. Okay, all is looking perfect and correct. Okay, and all point is one by one is discussed here, perfect and correct. Okay, all is perfect. And guys, I hope you will learn all point is learned easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.